Hey guys, I got a product voucher from my work that is specified for fitness products. And I was surprised that the process is not as straightforward as it seems. Even I looked up online for videos on that topic. It seems like there's a few. So I thought I would share that experience with you. So what you do, you got the voucher code in front of you by that moment, and you go to your account, redeem a product voucher, or you can Google redeem a product voucher with Amazon, and he will send you to this link. When you're here, you can plug in your voucher code, then you see add to your Amazon account, then he will show you a kind of confirmation that the card has already been applied to your account. But when you go to your account and gift cards, you'll find nothing. It seems like even to check your voucher balance is not a straightforward process either. So what I did, I searched for help on Google again. So after searching on the product voucher balance, like you go to Google, product voucher balance, Amazon, then he will lead you to this page, how to redeem your voucher and how to use the Amazon product voucher and how to check your balance. So you click on product voucher balance over here. When I click on it, then you can go to product voucher in your account. Now he's showing me I have a $50 fitness tracker product voucher. Now I know that my balance is ready to be used, but the process is not as easy as using a gift card. In fact, you need to go to, like he's saying, shop for eligible products in this case. Okay, we will shop for eligible products. So I can choose smartwatches, I can choose fitness monitors and whatsoever. So smartwatches in this case. Let's say I have $50. So let's say I want to take this watch just for the sake of example. Now I can see here, buy it now, add to cart. If I buy it now, okay, wait for the options to show up. Don't click on buy now again. Okay, so you can see here you pay with your MasterCard, but I don't need to use my MasterCard. So I can click on pay with over here and I can choose more payment options. And now you can see your available balance. Use 42 out of 50 of your fitness tracker product voucher balance. By doing that, now I can say use this payment method and finalize my payment. This way he applied, or he took a balance out of my voucher, not out of my credit or debit cards. So I hope that's helpful. That's all what I have right now.